So hi everyone, in this use case I want to show you how to publish two web servers that are deployed behind the CloudGuard gateway, publish them to the internet. So basically we have three options. The first option is to deploy a load balancer, network or application load balancer on the front-end subnet, and through this load balancer publish those two web servers. Obviously all the traffic is going to pass through the gateway and get inspected. So this is one option. The second option is to attach a public IP address to each one of the web servers and create an ingress route. So all the traffic will pass through the IGW to the CloudGuard gateway and to the final destination. What I'm going to show you today is how to attach multiple public IP addresses to the external interface of the gateway. And we are going to start by associating two private IP addresses with ET80. Then we are going to attach or create first two public IP and associate them with each one of the private IP addresses. On the gateway itself, we are going to perform a static NAT, so traffic that will hit the new private IP addresses will reach the corresponding internal web server, Web 1 or Web 2. So let's start with AWS Console. So here I'm going to select the checkpoint gateway, and from the action networking, manage IP addresses, and on ETH0, which is the external interface of the gateway, I'm going to assign two IP addresses, private IP addresses, and I'm going to assign them manually. So 124 and 125. And I will put it also on Notepad. And now the second step is go to Elastic IP addresses. Elastic IP, and allocate two Elastic IP addresses. This is the first one. We're going to associate it with the Web 1 and create another one, and we will associate it with Web 2. So this is Web 2 action, associate Elastic IP with network interface. The next network interface is the external network interface of the firewall, external network interface with 125. And we will do the same with this one, 33 with 124. Associate Elastic IP, network interface, the external one with 124. Associate. So now if you will look on the instance on the gateway and you'll go to manage networking IP address, you will see this association, 124 and 125. Now the next step is go to the Smart Console and create the external private IP. This one is external Web 1. External Web 2, 125. And I will need also to create a private IP address of Web 1. I will copy it from here. And I will create also Web 2. The next step will be the access rule. From all internet to the external IP, external web 2 and external web 1. Let's say that I want to publish them on port HTTP, accept traffic and log. And the last step will be the NAT rule. And I'm going to create two NAT rules from all internet to external web 1 and external web 2, port HTTP. The translated source is going to be original. The translated destination for web 1 is going to be the internal IP address of web 1. And here web 2. And the translated service is going to be original. So we are ready to publish and install the policy and check that we can get to the two web servers. Now I will grab the public IP address from here. This is web server 1. And this is web server 2. And that's it. Thank you.